Let's discuss coolest Amazon gadgets. Everyone is buying. All gadgets, links in comments and description. Let's start the video. Create the Toscano Bigfoot. The Yeti Garden statue is a figurine of a mysterious creature that can fill your garden and outdoor area with mystery. This outdoor Bigfoot statue is sculpted from polyresin and handcast to portray the elusive creature in a true-to-life brown camouflage, so it will be the perfect focal point for your garden or patio. Whether you stand in the crowd that firmly believes that Sasquatch exists, or you are just an owner of a creepy home decoration, this statue would amuse your neighbors and passers-by as it is placed behind trees or when it defends your yard along the driveway. Craftsmanship also ensures that the art piece is built to last, with crushed stone and UV-resistant material, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. On the flip side, it might be a tad heavy to maneuver around at 12 pounds, and while its large size is rather impressive, it may be too imposing for some rooms. Next, HARDELL. Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is a versatile, precise, portable, and compact all-in-one, perfect for intricate DIY works. This tool features 61 accessories and 5 adjustable speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute, making this versatile tool suitable for sanding and polishing, as well as etching and engraving, which is beneficial for use in creating resin crafts and other delicate projects. Measuring only 5x1, 2x0, 9-inch, it features an ergonomic design that allows for precision and comfort, with a USB rechargeable battery to give up to 200 minutes of writing on a single charge. An innovative feature of this device is the LED indicating lamp. It lights up your working surface, preventing shadows formation. On the flip side, this tool is not very useful for intensive work due to being small and may lack the required power for some projects. Next, Georgia Pacific Blue Ultra Paper Towel Dispenser is a great fit for the busy spaces, ensuring that cleanliness is maintained with ease and style. This touchless and wall-mounted dispenser holds up to 1,150 feet per roll, which means that there will be limited interruptions in the provision of sanitizing supplies. Its modern black design not only makes it aesthetically appealing, more especially when placed in the restroom or kitchen, but also creates a seamless look when used together with other products in Pacific Blue. Constructed for efficiency, the dispenser has a lock to deter theft and has a hinged front flap that can be opened to 180 degrees for effortless refills. Moreover, there is an array of decision-making points as for the paper refill. You can select both white and brown paper towel rolls in different sizes. Negatives include the fact that it is rather big, which means that one may need lots of wall space for it. And although the product is made to take very little maintenance, it will still call for Pacific Blue Ultra Roll paper towels compatible with it. Next, Super Mini Massage Gun by HE is the compact powerhouse for getting a great muscle recovery wherever your day takes you, measuring a tiny 0. 6 pounds, this portable massager can be carried in a gym bag, desk drawer, or suitcase, so it is perfect for athletes, typists, anyone who needs to relieve tension at work or during their travels. It has a compact design, but don't let the size fool you. It comes with a high-torque brushless motor, which makes the massage reach deep tissues and muscles up to 7 mm. It can operate in 5 different speed modes and includes 4 attachments to ensure you receive the ideal massage. The 3C power battery provides long battery backup for up to 5 hours of prolonged usage, and it's recharged through a USB Type-C cable, even from a power bank on the go. The cons, on the other hand, are that it has low power output, especially for muscular tissue treatment, and it requires a unique 5V/2A adapter for optimal charging. Next, Fidget Gyro Toy is not just an entertaining toy for kids, but also a helpful tool to deal with stress for adults. It is designed especially for children aged between 8 to 13 years old and is convenient to use as it fits in the palm of your hand to spin away your troubles while also exercising your fingers to enhance their dexterity and focus. This soccer ball is manufactured from top quality, highly durable plastic that has no sharp or abrasive surface that can harm young players and has passed Children's Product Certificate and Certificate of Conformity tests. This is not just a toy, but a useful tool for a child having ADHD, autism, or any stress-related disorder. It can help reduce carpal tunnel syndrome if caused by strenuous mouse usage. Whether one is using it at workplace for focus or a fun round against your friends in tabletop hockey, it is this Fidget gyro toy. Its small size may also be a disadvantage in that it may be easily lost. Next, lock-in lockbox upgrade is ideal for hosts on Airbnb, real estate agents, and any user seeking secure and reliable key storage. This wireless smart lockbox also enhances versatility by allowing the user to set up general or individual passwords as per their needs, with no restrictions on daily, weekly, or one-time use. Custom fit to the wall or above the door. This unit comes with easy assembly that does not need to use any tools. The lock-in lockbox is made from high-quality SPCC metal that will assure the key cannot be extracted by freezing, jamming, and not even by banging the box with a hammer. This intelligent feature is further enriched when the Wi-Fi lockbox is connected with a Wi-Fi gateway, which is also sold separately. This control the lockbox from your phone, set passwords, review the history of unlock, and check battery power. Next, Holystone HS190 mini drone is what you need if you are searching for the perfect gift for children, or if you are a beginner who wants to try flying a drone without being confused in sophisticated contraptions. This drone only requires one key for takeoff and landing, which makes it possible for the youngest pilots to manage it properly. The 3D flips are an extra feature that enhances the toy to not only a flying toy, but creates a flying acrobat toy. More importantly, HS190 has features such as altitude hold to keep hovering steady, headless mode, which ensures the drone moves relative to pilot, hence easier to control. Moreover, this drone offers 3 speed settings, ensuring that even the inexperienced child could gradually progress from the least to the highest level. Functionality focuses on safety by sporting a propeller guard that shields little fingers and a stop button for unintended accidents. This 35-gram mini drone can be stored in its controller and is small enough to easily bring around, whether for a party or a hiking trip. Next, touchscreen mist cleaner spray by Warfid that guarantees the removal of smudges on electronics and eyeglasses. This little beauty is no larger than a lipstick and easily fits into a bag or pocket due to its portability. This comes with a 10 milliliters screen cleaning solution and a built-in microfiber cloth, which are very effective in removing fingerprints, oil, and dust on your electronics, such as the television, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Besides, it is equipped with an additional bottle of cleaning solution in case of the initial bottle runs out, as well as a small brush for keyboards and a soft plush wipe to clean those hard-to-reach areas. Below are its features. The cleaning solution used is made of deionized, purified water and other non-toxic substances that will not harm your screens. However, it is a small and versatile device that is both utilitarian and sleek, so it is worth buying as a gift for tech enthusiasts, students, and business people. Next, Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover. This roller is easy to use and can be reused and quickly removes hair from the furniture, carpets, clothing, or beds than the sticky rollers. The Chom roller can be used manually. All you have to do is roll it back and forth over any surface, and the pet hair and lint will be collected in the container located in the rollers. After that, you can just use the release button to dispose of the collected fur, and it is ready for its next use. This is a portable fur remover made from strong nylon fabric imported to meet high-quality standards for real performance on multiple surfaces, ensuring a hairless home. One of them is that, thanks to the absence of adhesives or sticky tapes, the product is environmentally friendly and economical. Benefits stated include the fact that the machine is efficient in cleaning, can be easily operated, as well as reusable, eliminating the constant usage of sticky sheets. Next, Bluetooth speaker APJS. One is yet another Klein Tools product that will prove useful in any job site, thanks to its durability and sound quality. This product is a wireless portable speaker that fills the room or any outdoor area with sound through its high-performance driver, which produces good treble and deep bass. Bluetooth 4. 2 allows for a powerful and stable connection up to 100 meters, which means you can listen to your music or answer a call without any interruptions. This device comes equipped with a Li-ion rechargeable battery, which can sustain over 10 HRS of play at 70% volume, perfect for use throughout a typical workday. To ensure durability in unfriendly working conditions, the Klein Tools speaker boasts of an IPX5 water-resistant enclosure and is designed to withstand a drop from up to 6 feet. It is also highly portable and has a unique characteristic logic of using strong magnets for attachment to metal surfaces and a twist lock flange for integration into Klein's lighted tool bag or a tripod. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.